In my project folder, I have all kinds of footage elements. Can you please structure those into nice folders, then create a new Premiere Pro project and replicate the same structure as a bin structure inside the Premiere Pro project and import all the footage, please? Premiere Pro can now be operated not only by humans, but also by agents. Please create for each Africa clip a new sequence in a new bin named Africa Sequences. The sequence should contain the clip itself, followed by the mamoworld end screen. And at the beginning, on video track 2, please also insert the motion graphics template Africa Scenics, which you also find in the project folder now. You have full control to which folders of your hard drive your agent can read and write, and you can even control which parts of your project it has access to and which parts it can manipulate. Since the actions which your agent performs are intuitive block scripts, you can, if you want, review all of them before you allow the agent to execute. Not everybody is comfortable with using agents, but we all know chatbots. Here I give our custom GPT the task to export certain details from the active sequence to a spreadsheet. Once it's finished working, I can just copy and paste the answer and run the script in Automation Agent. If you want to reuse an automation later, just save it to your library. Built on Premiere Pro's new UXP extensibility platform, Automation Agent is the successor to Automation Blocks. So whether you want an agent to help you with a one-off task right inside your project, or you want to standardize repetitive workflows with custom tools, Automation Agent by mamoworld is for you.